Tired of missing crucial details during your Microsoft Teams meetings? Let's dive into how to record them like a pro, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, make sure you have the necessary permissions from your organization to record meetings. This is crucial. During your meeting, locate the More Actions button, represented by 3 dots, typically found in the meeting control bar. Click on Start Recording from the drop-down menu. A banner will appear at the top of the meeting window, notifying all participants that the meeting is being recorded. This banner ensures transparency and compliance with privacy policies. Remember to inform all attendees verbally as well to stop recording. Return to the More Actions menu. This time, select Stop Recording. You'll be prompted to confirm your action. Once stopped, the recording will be processed and saved, usually to Microsoft Stream or SharePoint, depending on your organization's settings. After the meeting, you'll receive a notification in the meeting chat with a link to the recording. From there, you can download, share, and even transcribe the recording for easy access and collaboration. Now you are all set to never miss important information in your team's meetings again.